Hi guys, so welcome back with another channel. Today's video is going to be another review on Dyhair. I'm so glad that they chose me again. So they have sent me, forgive me, I'm up on the weather, or whatever, my voice is just, I had a cold. So yes, Dyhair sent me another one of their units, whatever. This is some color hair that they have. And they want me to try it out. So, of course, I'm like, yeah, hello. Because spring is here and color is in. Hello, color is just in. So, they sent me some of their, they sent me a color unit or whatever. And, because since it's bob season, they sent me a nice, cute, blunt cut bob. Because I know people been asking me, can you wear a bob? Can you wear a bob? I am about to do a bob. Ooh. This body. So I'm about to do a bob, whatever. So this is Dyhair. Yes, thank you guys so much for choosing me again. I love you guys' product. I love your hair. So I really can't wait to put this on. I don't have to really do much to the hair. I'm going to show you the hair. I really don't have to really do much because everything is already done, pretty much. Everything is already done to the hair. When you get it, of course, I got my lashes and all that kind of stuff. They send you whatever. I don't have to do much to this hair because the hair, like I said, the hair is already done. I am in love with this green. The hair is so soft. Like, it's, oh my God, it's in heaven. It's soft. Like, oh my God. And also, it's a full unit. Okay? Or 360, whatever you call it. So, and it comes with 4 combs, so 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, whatever. And yeah, so I'm going to, and it doesn't really need to do, I don't have to really do anything, but just put it on pretty much. But I'm going to get this makeup done and all those great things. But I wanted to really show you guys the wig, what it looks like. It is gorgeous. So again, I don't have to do much to this wig or whatever. But what I will do so it can work for me, whatever. I'm going to take my combs out because I don't really care for my combs, whatever. I'm going to take my combs out. And I might take the elastic band off. We'll see. No, I might keep it on, I might take it out. We'll see, because normally I don't really use all that kind of stuff, whatever. So, but, because I like my wigs to be kind of laid flat on me. But, let's get started. Let's get her in motion. Let's get some heat on her. Let's get her flat iron. Let's go ahead some makeup on. So, I will see you guys at the end of this video. Again, thank you, Dyhair. I look forward to more videos and more hair. So, see you guys at the end of the video. Wow.
when you don't want me to move. Hey, yeah, when you don't want me to move. When you don't want me to move.
I've been holding on forever, waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone. I've been holding on forever, waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone. I've been holding on forever, waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone. I've been holding on forever, waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone.
Guys, I'm back with the finished process of everything. When I tell you, I've never worn a bob thanks to Dyhair, because trying this new color and their new product, their new unit. Like, I love this hair. I blend this, baby, where, honey, made me some little edges. Like, I love this bob. I love this color. The hair is amazing. Hello? You say something? You say something? Oh. But, I love this hair. Like, I love it. And it's, I need a black one. Now I want a black bob. I can imagine how this bob make me feel. Like, but imagine a jet black one. Like, oh my God, a jet black bob. Like, girl, I see how y'all girls be acting now. Like, when you wear a bob, like, you pay it like this. That's like, I now I understand how y'all feel. But when I tell you, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Check it out, honey. This bob is amazing. Amazing grace. Right. But yes, I love this bob, and like, oh my God, thank you, Dyhair. Like, I am in love. I'm so glad I picked this color. I'm just in head over heels. Like, hello. Look, I see how y'all feel. Like, that's how y'all be acting when you get your bobs. To the side, like, I'm just so over myself. Like, girl, let me just give y'all a peep. That's how y'all be in line. When you got your bobs, oh my, oh, oh. And that I gotta say, I feel good wanting you. Babe, I'm in love. Woo, woo. I'm in love. I'm in love. This is my first bob ever in life. This is like my right hand guy. This is my first bob I've ever worn in life. The first bob. And I want to do another one. Don't want to do many more. Oh God, like you don't understand how I feel right now. Like the swinging, the motions. Like I understand how y'all feel. I understand how y'all feel when y'all get y'all bobs done. Right? Okay. I understand, and it's bob season too. So girl, that way, I love it. Y'all better go check out this new hair, this new color, these new bobs that DY Hair got. When I tell you, I'm in love with you. As you can see, I got this looking like a sew-in. It's looking like a sew-in on me, honey, you know? So, yeah. So, y'all, I don't know what to say, but my eyes are a fool, you know? So, I think I'm about to go out because I can't waste this look in the house. So, I love you guys. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification button so you know when I arrive. Okay? Bye!